So hey guys, welcome to the React Native course. With the help of React Native, you guys can build any kind of apps of Android as well as iOS. So are you guys ready to join or learn React Native today? So in this video, we are going to talk about the introduction of React Native. So let's get it started. So before the introduction of React Native, I'm going to talk about that why should you join our course. So in this course, I'm going to cover all the topic from basic to advanced level of React Native. So you guys able to build any kind of apps after completing this course. Okay. And while teaching you all the topics will also help you to understand to the interview question, and we'll cover the interview question as well. We will learn React Native to build Android as well as iOS apps. Okay. All the code will be available on the Git, and I will also give you small exercises for you, so you guys can test it out or learn something new by doing some exercise. You can ask questions in the comment as well as on Instagram as well as on WhatsApp. You guys, in the last of this in the last of this course, I will also build real world project like how to build social media app like Facebook, Instagram, and we'll also create e-commerce app and many more other like Netflix and so on. So let's move to the next slide. So now the questions comes in our mind like, what is React Native? Okay, so the React Native is a popular open source framework for building mobile application using JavaScript and React. Okay, so in simpler term, React Native is a framework which help us to build mobile apps as well as like Android apps as well as iOS apps using JavaScript and React. So you don't have to learn any new language or any new technology to build Android or iOS apps by using the existing knowledge of JavaScript and React. You guys able to make new apps. Okay, React Native is developed by Facebook. React Native developers allowed to create native like apps for iOS and Android platform using single code base. Let's suppose if you are building any apps. So if you are building your app using React Native, so by using React Native, your app will be built for iOS as well as Android. You don't have to write another code for that. So by React Native, you can guys build iOS apps and Android apps by just writing a single code base. Okay. Now the question comes like, why we learn React Native? So with the help of React Native, you guys can build Android as well as iOS apps just by writing single code base. High demand in the market. So if you guys learn the React Native, it will be a more probability to get the job quickly. Okay, and React Native is like easy to learn, and you can guys develop your own apps. You can start your own startup. Okay, and if you know React.js, so you guys can easily run React Native. Okay, now what is the prerequisite to learn React Native effectively? Let's suppose you started React Native, so you should know the basic knowledge of JavaScript, like what is JavaScript, how to declare variable, how to create function, and I think that's all. So you should have at least knowledge of basic JavaScript. Now what will we gonna cover in this topic of the course? So we will in the next session we will gonna cover the setup and installation of React Native. Now after that, React Native basics, how to create component in React Native. Hooks, we will learn the hooks like use state, use effect, and many more hooks. Navigation, like how to navigate from one screen to another screen and from another screen to the next screen. How to render list, like how to show list of items in our screen. So we will learn that. How to handle form, so how to create a login form, how to create sign up form, and many others form. We will learn that. Okay, now how to we also learn REST API, so how to fetch any API, how to post data on API using fetch as well as XUS message. So let's suppose you're talking with your backend, so how you can talk with your backend. So we will also learn that, and we will build awesome projects. So in the last of the session, we will be mostly focusing on the project like a production ready apps. We will also launch our app on the Play Store after the completion of this project. Let's suppose first we are going to target the e-commerce app. Then once you build e-commerce app, you will get much more confident, like you guys add it on your resume and you will feel confident. And after building the project, we will also cover the interview question. So that's the aim of our course. Okay, so yeah, that's all we're gonna cover. So that this is the roadmap for our session to learn React Native. So if you guys really want to learn React Native, please run our course, and let's move to the next. Let's meet on the next video, like setup and installation of React Native. See you, and please let me know if you guys any question in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.